Rich DeMiro here at CES 2019 in Las Vegas, and this is the best smelling booth by far. I'm standing in front of a bread making robot that is actually making bread as we speak. It's called the BreadBot, and here to tell me all about it is Denver Wilkinson of the Wilkinson Baking Company.
Yeah, absolutely.
Why'd you come up with a bread robot?
Well, this has been a long project. It's been a family project for let's just say more than a decade. And it's been a fun project. We're just now unveiling it at CES. So this goes in the retail section of a grocery store. As a consumer, as a shopper, you can access, you have fresh bread baking all through the day. So every 6 minutes there's a hot loaf of bread coming out. It takes an hour and a half for the full process to go from scratch to finished loaf. So it'll mix with yeast, water, and it'll go down into this forming chamber down there. You can't really see it, but it's kneading the dough. It'll go down from there into this forming belt, and then it goes through a high humidity, lower temperature proofing section, and then there's a temperature layer right here that it goes up into the finish oven where it browns the bread and finish bakes it.
And I love this. It actually gives you some information about your loaf that was made 3 minutes ago, the height of the loaf. I don't know why you'd need that, but I guess a higher loaf is better.
Yeah.
It rose properly.
Yeah, exactly.
Filtered water, and then the home style. So I just pressed pick the hottest loaf that came out of the oven, and now the robot. Yes, I do want. I'm going to confirm that I want this loaf. Yes. And here we go. It's kind of like a giant bread vending machine. It's selecting the loaf. Now, what if I'd like this sliced?
So right now we're working on a slicer that will actually be up here on the top, and it'll take that loaf up to the top and it'll slice it however, whatever width you want.
There you have it, fresh loaf of bread from a bread making robot called the BreadBot.